All right, so we are going to kind of take a step back from what we were getting ready to get into, surface area and volume, and we're going to talk about areas of figures. Some of this is going to seem kind of like you're going to roll your eyes and think it's childish because you've done this 15 million times before, but we need to make sure that you have these area formulas down along with circles before we move on to surface area and volume. So let's get on into it. I guess if you think this is easy, take this as a nice little grade booster for the next couple of days. So to find the area of a triangle, the formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height of a triangle. You could also do 0.5 times base times height. So the main thing that you need to make sure you know for a triangle though is that the base and the height come together at a right angle. So if you see the right angle, that's for sure your height. And then the base would be like the whole entire length of the base that they give you. So it could be written like that. You could have this, and then that's your height, that's your base, like that kind of a thing. But the base and the height have to come together at a right angle. The area of a rectangle is just base times height. So here's your rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides, all 90-degree angles. These sides are the same. These sides are the same. So you would do base times height. That's it. Take the 2 side lengths that they give you, multiply them together. The other thing you're going to be doing today, and not just today, but you're going to be doing it when we do surface area and volume, is you're going to be finding perimeter. So perimeter is when you find the length around the outside. So to find the perimeter, you're going to add up all outside lengths. So that's how you find perimeter. So there's your area of a triangle, area of a rectangle, and for perimeter, you add up all of the outside lengths. Sorry, I just got a message. So example 1 says find the area of a triangle. So to find the area of this triangle, remember area is 1/2 base times height. So here's the base, here's the height. See, base and height come together at a 90-degree angle. These two are worthless to us for the area. We'll need them for the perimeter. So to find the area, you do 1/2 times the base times the height. And again, you can type in 0.5, that's totally fine. So I'm gonna grab my calculator. 0.5 times 45 times 26, and I find that my area is 585. And technically it would be whatever the units are squared, but today you just need to worry about getting the correct number. Then it wants the perimeter. Now for the perimeter, you add up all outside lengths. So all lengths on the outside. The 26 is on the inside, so we don't want that guy. So we're gonna take 31 plus 45 plus 42. There's 3 sides to a triangle, so you're going to add all 3 together. 31 plus 45 plus 42, 118. And then this would just be units, but again, today, we're just worried about you actually getting the 118. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Let's take a look at one more. If you were in class, I'd make you do this one on your own. To find the area, base and the height come together at the right angle, so this would be your base, that would be your height. Now this triangle obviously looks a little different than this one. Your triangles aren't going to all look the same. Rectangles and circles look the same. Triangles might be a little different. So to find the area, you do 1/2 times base times height. So 0.5 times 12 times 5, 30. So the area is 30. And again, it would be centimeters squared, but we are just going to go with it. And then for perimeter, we add all of the outside lengths. Well, all of these actually are outside lengths. So you do 5 plus 12 plus 13. So we do 5 plus 12 plus 13. And again, we get 30. It's kind of convenient there for you. So there's your area and your perimeter of a triangle. Rectangles are even easier. So for rectangles, if we take a look at this first example, to find the area of a rectangle, it's just base times height. So you literally just multiply these together. 16.4 times 11.8. So we take 16.4 times 11.8. That's a really goofy number. 193.52. That's it. Leave it alone. And then to find the perimeter, you add all of the sides together. Well, if this is 16.4, that means across from it is also 16.4. And if this is 11.8, that means that this is 11.8. So you're going to take 16.4 plus 16.4. I'm not going to probably ever write this out again. Plus 11.8 plus 11.8. So add those all together. 16.4 plus 16.4 plus 11.8 plus 11.8. 56.4. Whoops, there you go. So the perimeter is 56.4. So there's your area, there's your perimeter. And then for this one right here, you're going to do the same thing. I don't know if you guys probably don't need to see me do this one. If you are confused, rewind back. The rectangles should be pretty simple. So any issues today, let me know. You basically have 2 days to do your assignment, which is kind of nice. And then on Monday, we will get to circles.